Heidi here, and welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you a recipe for my favorite cookies, Snowball cookies. So for this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of unsalted butter, softened slightly, and you want to cut each stick into 5 pieces. I also like to pop my butter in the microwave for about 20 seconds just so it's slightly melted but still a little chunky. You'll also need half a cup of powdered sugar and a little bit more to roll your cookies in, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 3/4 cup of flour, and 1 cup of chopped pecans. So let's get started. So first we're going to take our large bowl and add in our butter. And next we're going to add a half a cup of powdered sugar. And a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to mix this together. And next we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And 2. And next we're going to add 1 3/4 cup of flour. Here's 1 cup. 1/4. 2/4. And 3. And mix this all together. And it's going to look a little crumbly, but just keep mixing. All right, looks pretty good. You can see. Now I'm going to add in my 1 cup of chopped pecans. And you can add a little more or a little less, depending on how you like your cookies to taste. And there we go. There's our dough. Next, we're going to take a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, and we're going to form our dough into 1 tablespoon size balls. So take your dough and roll it up with your hands and put it on your tray with parchment paper, and try to make them all about the same size so they cook evenly. And if you have any extra dough, make sure and keep it chilled while you're waiting for the oven. And once you have all your balls formed, then you can bake these in the oven at 350 degrees for about 12 to 14 minutes, or until the bottom is golden brown. So after you've taken your cookies out of the oven, we're going to wait about 5 minutes or until they're cool enough to touch. Please be careful. And now we're going to put in our first layer of powdered sugar. So here's my cookie. You can see the bottom is slightly golden brown, and here's the top. And we're going to take our bowl of powdered sugar. I have about 1 cup in here, but you might need a little bit more depending on how many cookies you made. And go ahead and drop it in there and just roll it around. And it'll be a little sticky, but that's okay because we're going to add another layer later. So go ahead and do that with the rest of your cookies. All right. And now we're going to let our cookies completely cool down, and then we're going to do 1 more layer of powdered sugar. So once your cookies have cooled completely, then we're going to do our second layer of powdered sugar. So take your cookie and drop it in the powdered sugar and roll it around. And go ahead and do the rest of your cookies. All right, and here's a close-up on one of my cookies. And I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye.